Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Respect to everyone who subscribed to my channel. Let's jump right into it. Today we're going to be talking about Valiant and Popcaan. You see me I say, because some things are going on in the media where they might say Popcaan, Badman, Valiant and all these things. Yes, we all see and know what go on in a dance hall. You see me I say? To be honest, Popcaan lose Valiant from on them wing. You see me I say, because Valiant and Popcaan used to be in the same camp, which is Valiant used to be in a Popcaan camp. You see me? We all know, Jamaican people all know, say Popcaan a big artist, long time Popcaan in the business. You see me I say, so no disrespect to Popcaan, no disrespect to Valiant, same way. I think they need to put them difference aside and get over this. You see me? Because me not going to say Popcaan bad mind Valiant, you know. You see me I say, I'm not going to say Valiant at show no word at Popcaan. You see me? Although we all see the post. You see me? The Popcaan say and him post. You see me? And Valiant post back. But I don't know people that put 3 and 3 together and I say, yo, Ray. You see me? So this is the post that Popcaan post up and take it back down, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, so Popcaan post this and take it back down. Then me see some other video where them put over Popcaan head, Valiant and Madio. Me understand the feeling, yes, you know. And you are bring Valiant in a dance hall and you see me, you bring him on stage and the people them say Valiant never good. You see me, and Popcaan say, yo, you see it, the people them say no good, so go and go work for your craft and come back. Yes, we understand that, yes, in the dance hall, style and gimmicks run everything, people. You see me, but I feel like say some people are take this thing too far. You get me? Popcaan giant in a dance hall. Valiant, you come up, you see me, you're coming up in a dance hall right now. Valiant bigger than enough artists for boss. Right now. We're doing the business a long time. Valiant bigger than enough of them. So, me now go pre Popcaan for the post when we make. You see me? Because that can mean anybody in the group. But when you don't know, looking at your phone, see Valiant there on the left side. In her jeans. You see me? Right behind the girl there, so you can never tell her who Popcaan attack when he make the post the people. So leave it in the comment section. If you don't feel like say Popcaan have any bad mind towards Valiant and him career or whatever Valiant a do for dancehall people right now. You see me? Because remember now, just what we saw one video leak with Popcaan and Popcaan get disrespect, you know. Police them run out Popcaan like any other little boy. You see me? Out of them place. You get me? And that's a big disrespect when you look at it. You see me? I have to say big up to Valiant, because Valiant have put in the work, people. Yeah, me I telling you, Valiant have put in the work, Valiant. Why? Proud of Valiant, boy. I mean, I don't tell the people. Swear to the viewers and subscribers. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You get me I say? Yeah, what a heap of respect to everyone. See me. Valiant and Popcaan, I think they need to work out them difference and put it aside and move on. You see me? And the fans them too. Move on to man. And leave that alone. As a Valiant say, enough people want to think I go want to rise. Them no want to see on rise past them. You see me? So to me, I saw it look in this situation. Because the people them attack, the streets attack, say yo Popcaan, bad mind and him full of bad mind. You see me, you have people come out and put out video and say Popcaan, bad mind Valiant for nothing at all. Because Valiant is one of the hottest thing in the dancehall right now. You get me? Valiant do be a tours, Valiant fly out. Come remember Popcaan having visa, you know, people. Yeah man, them take a Popcaan visa, man. Yeah man, so Valiant fly out and everything, you know. So things are going for Valiant right now, you know. You see me? Valiant post on his Instagram say him busy. He no time for talk right now. You see me? After him see Popcaan post where Popcaan says some of them lose it. That's all. It's a terrible place to the people. I tell me, I'm telling you, hear that. God bless everyone. Thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe for more. Please like my videos so YouTube can put my videos on the algorithm. Thank you.